Well, it's Saturday. Wait for Dave. Oh, this is hard work with this new phone of Sandra's. Oh dear, look, see, I can't even do that right. God, this is hard. Weighs a ton. Yeah, we're going to be on with the kitchen, so should be here shortly. Hello. Didn't do any filming today. Dave, Mini Maniac off talbotOC.com forums. He came to do the gas for me and check the electrics, etc. You know, the 240. Yeah, so I'm just explaining what we've done. Before we start, I want to say a massive thank you to Dave, Mini Maniac. What about before we start, before we finish? Yeah, thanks a lot, Dave. I really do appreciate all your help today. Cheers. The gas bottle, all the connectors there, fitted the hob's burning away. The fridge works on gas, very cold, like you did say, Terry. A few problems though. The Carver Cascade regarding this. Can you see it? It's a bit too dark, isn't it? Right, hang on a minute. We turned on the gas and it were working okay, it were fine. You know, once the gas had got through, then all of a sudden we just looked round and there was smoke piling up from underneath the boiler. Underneath the boiler. So obviously, needless to say, we shut everything down. We let it cool, and anyway, we thought we'll give it another try. Anyway, that's what's happened. I think I was watching TTXL, and he had the same problem. I'm sure of it. I'm going to have a look tonight and check it out. So, beware. This is what can happen. All that, it's all... well, it's melted, literally. Burners are good and all, aren't they? So obviously, send it off to be refurbed. I think somebody said ARC Systems or something. Right. Also, I think we've all done this. Well, anybody who's been messing around with a Sureflow diaphragm pump, I brought that. It's the filter. Right, we weren't sure whether there's supposed to be a seal in there, which there isn't. Yeah, we had problems. There were water pissing out everywhere. The pump itself, we ended up having to take it off and then resealing it. We took it off. Yeah, it's hard to explain really without showing you the pump. But anyway, I'll just let you know. Anyway, so the hob's running. It's cooking on gas. Yeah, it's cooking on gas is the hob. Yeah, I can cook. Dave ate all of me scones. Fat git. Yeah, so a very productive day, really. But shame I couldn't get out on film. It's pissing it down. But anyway, just thought I'd put you in the picture and show you that. Well, that's going to be the biggest expense now. But having said that, we've tried it on 240 the heater and it's working fine. So providing we're on hookup, we've still got hot water. No sink, but we've got hot water. Right, so I'm going to just upload this tonight and that's it. Tomorrow, I've got little bits to do really. Make sure the worktops screwed down. There's a few leaks. Well, there's one leak in toilet, one at pipes, just needs tidying up really. And then I'm going to tidy up in there because I've really finished wood really. You know, there's no major woodwork to do. So I shall tidy up tomorrow, and hopefully the cushions will be Monday, Tuesday, or at the latest Wednesday, and then we can go away Thursday to Whittingham. If you don't get those cushions, then unfortunately we won't be there. Right, see you later.